Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on NIO on November the 2nd, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $7.25. And at this very point, my main assumption was that we were right below the crucial level for NIO, around golden pocket range, and it is a confluence with this range of resistance that I marked previously. And because of these guys, my main assumption was that we have to see the decline in its price, and potentially the price target might be somewhere around $5.5. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset retested twice the level that I marked by this yellow line, and that was that is the golden pocket range if I pull Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom. And we had this decline in price for about 12%. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And I see a lot of comments under my video that I don't know nothing about the technical analysis. But guys, let me prove my words. This is the previous video that I published on November the 2nd. And take a look that I was 100% correct. This is the video before my previous video that I published on October 26th. And by the way, guys, you can do the same. Each and every video has the link to its previous video right here, NIO Stock previous video. And we were at $6.9, and I told you that we have to retest this level of 7.35. Next, previous video, we were at this point at $6.77, and as you can see, I already drew this ABC correction, and this video was published 3 weeks ago on October the 20th. And definitely my win rate is not 100%. It is literally impossible, but my win rate is closer to 75 to even 80%. That is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. On top of that, if you want to be a part of my community, and if you want to receive my call to actions to trade, and if you want to know my personal trades with 100% money back guarantee offer, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. So, and let's begin today's video with some fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay attention to several recent news. One of these news was published on cnvpost.com on November the 3rd, and it's titled "Goldman Sachs rises new price target on improved model competitiveness and sales." Let me quote you just these 2 bullet points and the price target itself. Goldman Sachs's previous price target for NIO had already been significantly below the current stock price. Goldman Sachs believes NIO will replicate this year's product strategy to drive further sales growth. And right here you can see that they raised its price target to $7 from $4.3. And $7, guys, is the level that is slightly above our current price. And by the way, when this news was published, the price hit this range of resistance that I marked and went lower, as you can see. Another news that is very bullish for NIO. You can see that on November the 4th they published this NIO's deliveries exceed 10,000 units again last week, and this is a very good threshold that they hold, and their sales is above 10,000 units on a weekly basis. That is a very good news on its path to profitability. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. Another part of their potential success and upcoming success is this one. Definitely it is some kind of promotional article, but nevertheless, this article was published on November the 7th, and it's titled NIO Firefly ships large batch of cars to Europe, overseas expansion to include North America. And guys, you can see that Firefly will soon open pre-orders in Austria, Greece and Portugal. And for now, you can see that there is plenty of cars, and I count all these cars at this, wait a second, at this picture, wait a second, at this one, and you can see that right here there is a 115 vehicles, and we have this second ship with pretty much the same number of vehicles, which means they delivered about 200, slightly above 200 vehicles to Europe. And definitely it is not the biggest number, but guys, it is just the beginning. That is why NIO, in my opinion, is a very bullish in the medium and long-term perspective. That is why, guys, I have to admit that it becomes quite decent play. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification button, hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, guys, first of all, let me remind you about the overall position of NIO. And if I zoom out to a daily time frame, you can see that we have wait a second, I don't need this tool. We have a very good movement to the upside from the levels of about $3, and you can see that we completed 1, 2, this potentially wave 3, and we have to land, we have to retrace to wave 4 in order to see its next leg to the upside. And this is this forecast. Let me delete internal waves, and for now, guys, I still think that we have to see another leg to the downside that will land somewhere around $5.5, and it should happen before their earnings report. We don't know for sure when this report will be published, but probably it will be disclosed on November 19th, basically in 1 week. And if they beaten expectations, and on top of that, if the guidance in the earnings call will be very positive for NIO, definitely it will be another bullish catalyst for this stock. But for now, I believe that we have to see lower prices, and yes, for now it is a more shady action, more shady movement, because it can have the bottom of the fourth wave right here. Let's switch again to hourly time frame. But at the same time, guys, be cautious before the earnings report, because it might have quite substantial volatility in the upcoming days. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you.